Hello, wonderful cook. We're back with the cook along series of Veets Cuisine Cookbook, page 53, and we're doing a salad today. And I got this inspiration from Nadine Abenser. I will put a link on it for her as well. So I've got baked sweet potato, and I baked it in the oven for 35 minutes, and I put some turmeric on it and salt, and the turmeric made it a nice color. And that idea came from Sharmali from Safer Cuisine. That she's a catering business here, and we've got some tomatoes, cherry tomatoes from the garden. The sweet potatoes are from the garden. The lettuce is from the garden. The avocado isn't, and that's the salad. How delicious is that? And it would look lovely with some nasturtium flowers on top, which I have got in the garden but forgot to bring up. That's fine. And some sprouts. But it is a divine salad. And we're just going to do a quick dressing. So we've got apple cider vinegar. Oh, a little bit of the mother went in there. That's fine. That's good for you. Some delicious organic olive oil from Grampians. I'm not sponsored by them, but I just love their product. And some maple syrup. Woo! And a teaspoon. I haven't got my teaspoon. Just grab it. A teaspoon of organic multigrain mustard. And, well, it's grain mustard. It's not multigrain. It's grain mustard. And some pepper. And we've got to get that good salt. What are we without salt? Or we could actually put just a touch of tamari in, just a touch. Now, a touch is different from a splash. That's a touch. Okay, and then we make sure the lid is on nice and tight and give it a good shake. I had a friend whose husband picked up the dressing and he started shaking it and he shook it over his shoulder and the lid came off and it went everywhere. So don't do that. Enjoy your salad, everyone. Bye. Hello, wonderful cook. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. I would love it if you wrote a comment. I love receiving comments and I'll always reply. Also, please like and subscribe. And if you look below, there's a link to sign up for my free Iron Rich ebook and weekly recipes. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.